Hello friends, welcome to the session. In our today's session we will learning today how to define a plant, division and what is valuation area. So go to the following path. The T code is SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Go to enterprise structure, go to definition and go to logistics journal. To display technical code, click on additional information, display key and IMG activity. So what is valuation level? Valuation level is that it is only plant, means whatever you are going to procure or purchase in the plant, you are going to evaluate that material in the plant itself. So variation area is always a plant. So it had already been defined by the SAP. There is no need to create a valuation level. So just have a look onto this. So valuation area is a plant. That means the valuation level cannot be maintained, already defined. Now go back, and now here you can create a plant also. So the option is define, copy, delete, check plant. T code is OX10. Click there, click on define plant. So in our scenario we are having a Piyush Private Limited. Say example, it is having two plants. One is Gurgaon and another one is say Faridabad. So let us create that also. Click on new entry. So here I am going to create a plant PI00. The name of the plant is Piyush Private Limited. Click on address. It is a company, Piyush Private Limited. Address is IN, region is Haryana. So I am not going to input all those parameters which is required by the company address or details. Just I am inputting the mandatory parameter like country and region. But in your actual scenario you have to input all these parameters required by the company. You have to fill up all these fields. So I have saved it. This is the request number. Now going to create the next plant. Just click next entry. This is PI20. This is also for the Piyush Private Limited. Click on address. So it is in the same state. I have saved it. So both these two plants had been created. But in this plant you have to assign the calendar also. Let us create by standard. This is 01 factory calendar, and for plant 2 the same calendar has to be applied. So here I have created two plants. Go back. Now what is the location of this plant? Click define location. So new entry. The plant is PI20. Location is Gurgaon. And another plant is PI20. This is in Faridabad. So I have input all the parameter. This is address for plant 2. Save it. Next step is to define division. What is the division? Means the product which is going to be produced by the plant. So click on check division, define division. Say here I can decide manufacturing. Say make a new entry. This is say PI, sorry, new entry. I am going to define here PI. This is the 2 characters. Say manufacturing of just save it. So here I have created plant, their location and division. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly like the video also. Thank you very much.